everyone. Today we're going to introduce you to the new Bachmann EZ App locomotive. We're going to show you how to set it up and to run it. To start, make sure to purchase a locomotive with the Bachmann EZ App system built in. These are denoted by the EZ App logo on the boxes, which are easily recognizable in their yellow and blue packaging and are available to order directly from ModelTrainStuff.com. Currently, your choice of HO scale locomotives available with EZ App include the EMD FTA, GP35, Alco RS3, and a 260 steam locomotive, with more variety expected in the future. We are going to be using the iconic FTA, which is available lettered for multiple prototypical railroads. Once you have purchased your EZ App locomotive, your next step is to download the Bachmann EZ App directly onto your device from the Apple App Store or the Android Store. Before launching the app, make sure that your EZ App compatible locomotive is on the track and your layout is connected to a conventional controller. You can use the EZ App on both DC and DCC systems. To operate your locomotive on the DC powered layout, your controller dial must be set to its maximum speed to allow the locomotive to work, and all non-EZ App locomotives must be removed from any track receiving power. On a DCC layout, you should make sure that your system is receiving power. However, there is no need to adjust your controls. Just place the locomotive on the track and open the app on your device. On opening the app, after making sure that your Bluetooth signal is turned on your device, you will see a list of the locomotives in range which the app can connect with. You can choose to connect or disconnect any of these locomotives, depending on which models you plan to operate. To choose a single locomotive, simply tap the name of the one you want to operate and you will be taken to the control screen. Once on the control screen, hit Start Up at the bottom of the page and your screen will go from blued out to controllable. This will also activate locomotive sounds, which will play directly from your device. Sound and light options are listed to the left of the throttle. These include a headlight button, a bell, a short variation horn, and a longer example, which will play for as long as you hold your finger on the button. Below these is your directional control and an emergency stop button. When you're ready to operate your locomotive, simply drag the green throttle button upwards at your desired pace until reaching a speed which you're comfortable with. Once you're ready to stop or slow the locomotive, just drag the throttle down the screen again until reaching your desired speed or a full stop. If you need to stop more quickly, you can use the emergency loco stop button at any time. Each locomotive has customizable settings accessible from the cogwheel symbol on the bottom right of the screen, where you can change the name of the locomotive, the top speed, acceleration and deceleration rate, and sound scheme. To operate additional locomotives at the same time, make sure that your desired models are showing up as connected in the main list and tap the multi-train button at the bottom of the page. This will take you to a simplified version of the control screen, with multiple control panels for each selected locomotive. At the bottom right of the screen is a Stop All button, which will immediately cut power to all operating trains if necessary. Once on the main menu screen again, you can also select Extras for extra features such as seasonal sound effects. If you require any additional information on the operation of the EZ App, a Help button can be found on the bottom left-hand side of the menu. The EZ App is a simple, convenient way to run your trains without being bound to your wired controller and can again be downloaded from any Apple iPhone, iPad, or Android device. Explore the next generation model train control with Bachmann's EZ App. Locomotives and sets now available at ModelTrainStuff.com.